For many seniors, staying connected with family and friends becomes increasingly difficult as time goes on, whether it's due to physical ailments or simply feeling like they're a burden. Many elderly individuals end up spending their golden years in isolation. However, this doesn't have to be the case, thanks to organizations like Healthcare for the Homeless, which aims to ensure that nobody gets left behind when it comes to access to healthcare. In today's video, we'll take a closer look at the incredible work done by Healthcare for the Homeless and how they help connect some of America's most forgotten souls to the mental health services they need to live happier, healthier lives. Healthcare for the Homeless is an innovative and compassionate organization dedicated to improving the lives of homeless individuals across America. Founded in 2008, the organization was created to address the urgent need for accessible and affordable healthcare for those experiencing homelessness. What began as a small-scale initiative quickly grew into a nationwide movement, impacting countless lives along the way. One of the key aspects that sets Healthcare for the Homeless apart is its unwavering commitment to providing no-cost care, regardless of a person's ability to pay. Everyone who seeks help from one of their service centers receives the treatment they need. This removes financial barriers that often prevent homeless individuals from seeking medical attention, allowing them to focus on their health and well-being without worrying about the cost. This is particularly important when it comes to mental health, which is often stigmatized and underfunded. Healthcare for the Homeless understands that mental health is just as crucial as physical health when it comes to the overall well-being of homeless individuals. They recognize that these two aspects are intertwined and addressing one without the other is not enough. That's why they offer comprehensive mental health services as part of their broader healthcare initiatives. Access to mental health services is crucial for the homeless population, as they often face unique challenges that can take a toll on their emotional and psychological well-being. Homelessness itself can be a traumatic experience, and those who are chronically homeless may have experienced multiple traumas throughout their lives. These traumas can include physical, emotional, or sexual abuse, as well as significant losses, such as the death of a loved one, the loss of a job or home, or the breakdown of relationships. All of these events can contribute to mental health issues such as anxiety, depression, post-traumatic stress disorder, among others. Furthermore, the constant stress of living without a stable home, the struggle to obtain basic necessities like food and clothing, and the challenges of maintaining personal hygiene can also take a toll on mental health. It's common for individuals experiencing homelessness to face discrimination, prejudice, and social stigma, which can lead to feelings of isolation, hopelessness, and low self-esteem. The lack of a support system and the breakdown of family relationships can also exacerbate these issues. It's important to note that mental health issues are not uncommon among the homeless population. In fact, studies show that the prevalence of mental illness among people experiencing homelessness is significantly higher than in the general population, according to the National Alliance on Mental Illness, NAMI. Approximately 25% of the homeless population has a serious mental illness. This includes conditions like schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, and major depressive disorder. Additionally, a much larger percentage, around 66%, have at least one mental health condition that requires ongoing management. These statistics highlight the critical need for accessible and comprehensive mental health services for homeless individuals. Thankfully, organizations like Healthcare for the Homeless are stepping up to fill this gap in services. By prioritizing mental health as part of their overall healthcare approach, they play a vital role in helping homeless individuals cope with the unique challenges they face, process their experiences, and build a better future for themselves. Healthcare for the Homeless achieves this through several strategies and initiatives. One of their key approaches is ensuring that all medical service centers have access to mental health professionals. This includes psychiatrists, psychologists, licensed independent social workers, therapists, counselors, and peer support specialists. Having mental health professionals directly within their clinics allows homeless individuals to receive integrated care, addressing both their physical and mental health concerns in one place. This integration is crucial as it eliminates the need for referrals. transportation to separate facilities, and the potential barriers that may arise from navigating different healthcare systems. The organization also prioritizes training. Healthcare for the Homeless recognizes that its staff, including medical assistants, nurses, and care coordinators, are on the front lines of identifying and addressing mental health needs. Therefore, they invest in comprehensive training programs that equip staff members with the knowledge and skills to recognize signs of mental illness, engage with individuals experiencing homelessness, and provide initial support and resources. This training is essential as it enables staff to build trust with patients, create a welcoming environment, and ensure that those who come through their doors feel seen, heard, and valued. Furthermore, Healthcare for the Homeless leverages technology to enhance access to mental health services. They utilize telehealth platforms, enabling patients to connect with mental health professionals remotely. This is particularly beneficial for individuals who may face challenges with transportation or mobility. Telehealth also offers flexibility, allowing for appointments to be conducted in private spaces, reducing the stigma associated with seeking mental health support. To further extend its reach and impact, Healthcare for the Homeless actively collaborates with community partners, including housing navigators, outreach teams, and substance use disorder treatment providers. These partnerships are vital as they create a network of support that addresses not only the immediate medical needs, but also the long-term goals of individuals experiencing homelessness. By working together, Healthcare for the Homeless and its partners can develop holistic plans that include mental health services, housing assistance, employment opportunities, and other crucial resources. It's important to acknowledge the dedication and hard work of the individuals employed by Healthcare for the Homeless. The staff members, many of whom have personal connections to the mission, demonstrate compassion, empathy, and resilience in their daily work. Their commitment to serving this vulnerable population is commendable and contributes significantly to the positive impact of the organization. In addition to the efforts of the staff, volunteers also play a vital role in supporting the mission of Healthcare for the Homeless. Volunteers provide a range of services, from assisting with administrative tasks to participating in outreach programs. Their contributions are invaluable and help to amplify the reach and impact of Healthcare for the Homeless. As the need for accessible mental health services continues to grow, organizations like Healthcare for the Homeless stand as beacons of hope for those who have been marginalized, stigmatized, and overlooked. Their work serves as a reminder that everyone deserves access to quality health care, regardless of their circumstances. By investing in mental health services, removing financial barriers, and fostering a compassionate and supportive environment, Healthcare for the Homeless empowers homeless individuals to take control of their well-being and work towards building a brighter future for themselves. Thanks to organizations like Healthcare for the Homeless, there is a growing movement towards recognizing the importance of mental health within the broader context of healthcare. By prioritizing mental health, integrating services, and leveraging technology and community partnerships, Healthcare for the Homeless paves the way for positive change, demonstrating that, with compassion, innovation, and a commitment to equity, we can create a healthier and more inclusive society for all. If you're passionate about making a difference in the lives of homeless individuals and are inspired by the work of Healthcare for the Homeless, consider donating to support their mission. Your contributions can help provide access to essential healthcare services, including mental health support, that can change lives. Visit their website to learn more about donation opportunities and the impact they're having in communities across America. Together, we can ensure that no one faces the challenges of homelessness without the support and care they deserve.